Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today we'll be drawing a flower monster surprise fold. All you need is a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie, and some color markers. Let's start off by folding our paper in half, and then we'll press to the edges. We'll take this side and we'll fold this in half, and we'll press to the edges. We'll flip this over and we'll fold the other side in half. So now when you open this up, you'll have 4 sections. So we'll take this, we'll close that side. I'm going to put a sheet of paper behind so that anything I draw will not go through onto the table. We'll protect our table. Let's start off by drawing a circle that goes right across this seam. And we're going to leave a little extra at the top and bottom. So I'm going to start up here. We're going to come down. And I'm just going to try to draw a nice round circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. We'll do the best we can, like that. In the middle, right where the seam is, I'm going to draw the mouth shape. So we're going to come across, and I'm going to end with a little shape that hooks up there, and then I'm going to go to the bottom of the paper with another shape that kind of hooks down like that, and I'll just draw a line just below that seam, just like this. On the left, we'll draw one eye. So we'll do a circular shape on the left, and we'll do the same shape on the right. Now I'll draw a little pupil shape kind of over to the left of each of these eyeballs. And inside of that, I'm just going to do a little highlight. And I'm going to go and fill this already with black. Now, if you want to put an eyebrow, you can just do a curve above each of those circular eye shapes. And you can also do whatever kind of eyebrow shape you want. If you want to have pointy eyelashes or round ones like I'm doing here, whatever you like. Now we're going to draw these petals around the flower shape. Now the trick is to remember, let's draw the first petal across this seam like that. And I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, we want to make sure that it's right over this seam right there. Then we can just continue and draw more petals all the way to the other side till we get to the other side. Then we'll draw a stem at the base. So we'll just draw 2 lines slightly to the one side. Then here you could even draw a little leaf that is kind of coming off there. I'll just do some vein shapes like this, have like a little leaf there. Now we'll continue these petals until we get to the stem. Now remember, as you get towards this shape here, you want to remember to draw through it and not over top of it. Now we can add some details inside. I'm just going to put these like circular shapes in each one of my petals. And this is just for some added detail. Okay, now we can open up our flower drawing. And we can start drawing the mouth opening. Starting at the top, I'm going to add some sharp teeth. So I'm going to come and do a pointy shape down to the left, and I'll do the same on the right. And we'll just keep adding more pointy shapes, and I'll come from each side to try to balance these off. I'll do the same at the bottom. Just draw some nice sharp teeth. So we're going to do this very slithery tongue. We're going to start on the right side here and come up, and we're going to hook over, and then we'll kind of hook back on itself. And then this will be the end. So we'll just round this a little bit, and then we'll start coming back. And as we come back, we're going to get bigger and bigger. And then we'll come this way, we'll hook this and come back down like this. Let's draw the edge of the flower. We'll start coming down, and we're going to meet up over here. So as you're drawing, take note of where this location is here. So we're going to want to come down and meet up together. We'll do the same on this side. We'll start coming down, and we'll join those lines together. So I'm going to come inside of this tooth, and I'm going to come down and be parallel to this line right here, the edge of the flower shape. So we'll come down, draw through the tongue, and continue down. And I'll do the same on the right side. Come down, and here we don't even need to do anything. I'll draw an extra line just inside of this mouth opening, and we'll finish that off like this. Now I'm going to draw the tonsils here. So I'll draw this U shape right in the center here, just above the tongue. So hopefully you have some space up here. And then I'm just going to hook this over and come down and draw through that tongue and come back like that. And we'll do the same shape on the right, like this. I'm going to add some polka dots to my tongue, and we'll just vary the sizes and the angles of these polka dots. They don't have to be perfect. They can all be different sizes. You can do some that are kind of wrapping to the other side of the tongue. I think that helps with some realism, like that. And just keep drawing a few. You could put as many as you want, or as less and minimal as you want. I'll just add a few little dots for texture. Finish off our petals on the outside. So we'll just keep going down. And as you go, just remember not to hit your shapes. And then we'll just come up from the bottom. And we'll do the same on the right side. And we'll finish off those circles. Okay, inside of these two lines and folds right here, we can draw some beads. So I'll do this peanut shape like this. And then I'll add a couple black stripes like this. I'll do a little black stinger at the back. I'll do this eye, some wings, and a few little legs. And we can do a couple more. You could put as many as you want. I'll do one in this direction. And I'll do one more buzzing around over here. Okay, so we completed drawing our flower scary shape. Flower monster. All right, so my favorite part is up next, and that's when I go ahead and color this in. So I'm gonna fast forward, and you can follow along as I color this in. Well, this thing looks really cool. I hope yours turned out just as cool as mine did. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun drawing this with me. Please like the video and subscribe down below. I do videos like this every day, and I'll see you at that next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.